Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another video. Today, pretty quick day, pretty bad day for trading. Anyway, it's the day before NFP, so I wasn't expecting too much out of price action in the first place. We're just chopping around. The range was just, what, like a 70, 13, so like a 70 point range, 60, 64 point range. Nothing too crazy. Just a whole lot of chop. I did scrounge up two good trades. I want to say not good. I don't know. They were decent. Like C tier probably. We closed above the VWAP, and usually I would try to look for longs, but we did sweep all-time highs again. So I was looking for a move down to London lows, which didn't happen immediately, but it did later on in the day. So I did take that one short on all six, I think. Yeah, all six of my accounts. I took that short, and on my funded, let's see, I'm on my upload page right now. On my funded, just my take profit traded, not my funded, my evals. On my evals, let's see. Come on. So on my evals, right? Okay, there we go. I took another small trade. Oh wait, no, that was the same trade. I tried this right here. I sold here, and the price was choppy, so I took it for it got break even. It was all the way over here, and I was up like 5 points. And I was like, oh, I don't want to do it. My stop was here. It would have worked out. It would have worked out great. It was a 17-point stop, so I think it was like 544. Yeah, it was like 544 something. So that would have worked out great. Yeah, I was at 520, and then maybe it wasn't there. Maybe it was like here, a little bit above. I don't know where it was, but it was like a $340 loss. So I was okay with it, but then I broke even, and then look at this. All right, I had a dental appointment today, and this was my take profit, and I forgot to cancel this order. And right before I left, price just boom destroyed. You know what I mean? So like 5 minutes later, I was getting ready, and then target hit, and then but I had already canceled the order. I had closed the stop above, but I forgot to take the limit order that was here, and that got triggered. And if I had forgotten about it, it would have been a nice win. So when I got home, it was like over here. So that would have been a crazy like 40, 50 point win. So from 488, yeah, that would have been like a 49 point win, which would have been great. But I saw it, so I got it removed. So, but yeah, it was good. I didn't think we were going to go any lower. I just felt like we were going to sweep London lows, and then get back. Look at this fill. Look at how perfect that is. Perfect fill. To the tick. That's just how it was. But yeah, didn't hold it. So that was pretty much it. Took two trades. I mean, these accounts are still barely there, barely getting started on them. But yeah, I made $169 on the live account. So I need like another $330 or something to get back to where I was at, and above that I can take profits. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to focus on getting a nice trade in tomorrow. NFP, nice volatility. You know, and yeah, get that account back up. Maybe like a $400, $500 day would be really good. So yeah, just yeah, and the funded accounts, the three fundeds, they're two of them back to that almost break even point again, like $107 away, and the other one that I accidentally traded on that one's still in the gutter. but it's not bad. You know, I was at like a $500 drawdown. I'm at 1,000, so progress there. It's not dead by any means. Just going for those small little wins is gonna build it back up again. No rush. I'm not paying for those, but I am paying for this one, so I want to get these passed. So yeah, mini to two minis is the size that I'm going to be trading on those. But if I see something really crazy, I can go in like 4 or 5 minis and just get like an absolute banger. You know, I just need like one $3,000 day. You know, so to make sure that I'm in within the consistency rule of the challenge, and it'll be really good. You know, and if it's gonna renew, then it's gonna renew. You know, for another $400 next month. Can't really stop that. Can't rush it. You know, it's better to have small progress and reset it rather than reset from zero. You know what I mean? I mean, if it's going to take me 2 months, then fuck it. You know, I only have 2 accounts, so it's going to be a $400 renewal next month. Good thing I didn't have five, because $1,000 would have been a bit too much and I would have been under a lot of pressure, but two at a time is good. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to talk about. You know, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow's good. We're gonna see some good price action. The most important news, I think, of the week. So yeah, can expect good things to come. So just gotta play it safe, and yeah, no, I'm not gonna gamble on the news like I did. Okay, but I will play the moves after, of course. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next recap. See how it goes. All right. Bye.